SpaceX isn't actually the company's real name. The company's full name is Space Exploration Technologies Corporation. On December 22, 2017, SpaceX launched its 18th and final mission of 2017, a satellite launch with a Falcon 9 rocket for satellite communications for Iridium. The rocket took off from Vandenberg Air Force Base in Southern California, and as it streaked across the night sky, it gave off a bright light show that had people stopping in their tracks and documenting the weird cloud-like effect on social media. In 2012, SpaceX became the first private space company to dock with the International Space Station. SpaceX also did something unique. The science experiments that it carried as cargo were developed by 15 students. In 2017, SpaceX became a part of a long tradition when its Falcon 9 rocket took off from Launch Complex 39A at the Kennedy Space Center, where the Apollo 11 moon mission began. It was also the first entity to use it since the complex was retired in 2011. On March 30, 2017, SpaceX became the first entity to successfully launch and fly a reusable orbital-class rocket. The Dragon capsule can carry up to 13,228 pounds into space. The Falcon Heavy rocket, designed to withstand travel to Mars, can carry 119,000 pounds, which the SpaceX site describes as a mass equivalent to a 737 jetliner loaded with passengers, crew, luggage and fuel.